Friction is a force that slows things down.
I still don't understand this chapter.
If this feels tough, it's okay. Let's get some help. SkoolGenie always finds fun ideas.
Create an interactive classroom activity to help grade 7 students understand friction.
Setup. Place the wooden block or toy car on a smooth surface. Initial measurement. Attach the spring balance to the object and gently pull until the object just starts to move. Record the force required to overcome static friction.
Today, we will do a small experiment. We will pull this box and see how friction works.
Ma'am, can I try pulling it?
Now let's add some weight and try again.
Oh,
See? When the weight increases, friction also increases.
ma'am, I've understood the concept now.